It's dinner time! If you don't have any idea about what to prepare, let me give you this perfect soupy noodle recipe that is as easy as 1, 2, 3, ready in a few minutes, just like you're waiting for your order in a restaurant. So what are you waiting for? Grab your apron and let's cook. First, prepare the following ingredients: a piece of carrot, 1 stalk of celery, 1 slice of onion, and half of a green sweet pepper. Chop some garlic and 2 dried shiitake mushrooms. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then add 1 cup of water. In a pan, boil at least a cup of water and cook the shiitake mushrooms for about 4 minutes to soften them and extract their flavor. Afterward, transfer the softened shiitake mushrooms to a cutting board and slice them thinly, reserving the mushroom water for later use. Next, return the pan to the heat and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Fry some sliced ginger, which I neglected to mention earlier. This ginger is essential for eliminating any fishy flavor. When the ginger becomes aromatic, add the garlic and saute for at least 2 minutes. After that, add the sliced onion and fry until it is aromatic and translucent. Now, for the protein, you can choose small shrimp, prawns, chicken slices, beef or pork. Today, I am using small cooked shrimp from my freezer. Since the shrimp are already cooked, they don't need to be sauteed for long. If you are using raw meat, slice it as thinly as possible to ensure it cooks quickly. Add the soy sauce mixture and bring it to a boil. Then, return the sliced shiitake mushrooms and their reserved liquid to the pan, which I almost forgot to slice. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if it's too salty. Add more water in half-cup increments to avoid making it too watery. To thicken the sauce, mix a little water with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Decide on the consistency you prefer. Use more cornstarch for a thicker sauce and less for a runnier sauce. Just eyeball it and practice to find what works best for you. Once the sauce has thickened, add all the vegetables. For this recipe, we are using wet noodles that are partially cooked and sold in supermarkets. I enjoy mixing udon noodles with fresh egg noodles from the chilled section. Udon noodles can be a bit tricky since they are tightly packed. You should add them to boiling sauce and let them separate naturally. Do not force them apart as this can break the noodles. This process won't take long. Once the udon noodles have separated, add the fresh egg noodles. After about 2 more minutes, everything will be ready, including the vegetables. At this point, all the sauce has been absorbed by the noodles, resulting in a perfect soupy consistency, similar to what you would find in a restaurant in Chinatown. Are you already feeling hungry? I know I am. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it. Before you leave, please consider pressing the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!